The recording, no. So last lesson we were saying that this distance, I still remember this was Tabby's. This distance and the green distance is the same, okay, and that is why the angle is 16. I repeat, this blue line and this green line, someone told me when you calculate the distance is the same. So therefore, since the distance is the same, the angle here, I was arguing that this green angle should be bigger because the green distance is shorter. But someone told me this green distance and CD is the same. Now, since it's the same, then the angle is 16. But are you telling me that you don't understand what it means by the red man walk towards the green line? Do you understand that? Because extended, it says BC extended means I draw a straight line. Is that clear? What formula to use is still the same formula. Now I use my red color. So is this still triangle? And this triangle is a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle. Okay. This is the eagle. This is D. This is Tabby's. So I know the distance here. I know the distance here. So I use that tangent. This part is clear? Have you all tried can do found the answer? Some of you? Okay. Alright, so based use on this information, you go and try again. Okay? Okay, then I go on to question 4. I thought you don't want 5? Okay, question 4, is it the first question or second? Is it 4A or 4B? E. Okay, then can I have 4D answer? 4D answer, X is what? 25. 7.7 4868 or X equal
negative 21.
Negative 21, then only already. So you reject this answer, right?
Cannot reject first.
Huh? I don't know. What is X? What is X? No, it's not a time. X is not a time. X is the D don't reject. Do not reject. Because they say solve the equation. Did they say find the rate? No. So this one, if you reject, it become wrong. I'm trying to say 4E, I think. 4E means hence find the time. So you need to reject one of them. This part clear? So when you solve the equation, don't need to reject. But when you want to use the X to do something, then you think which one you need to reject. So of course you will use X equals to 25.74868. But what you want to do it for? What do you want to use it for? Find the what?
The largest
time. Find time. Now what is this? What is this 25?
The time.
You can even toilet went so long. cm cube per hour. Wow, very slow, 25 cm cube, quite small only, Then per hour. You know how big is this? Anyone know? You want to make a guess? How big is this? What time give you 25? 5 times 5 times? 5 times 5 times 5 is how much? 125, right? 125. So this is 2 point something. 2 point something on a ruler is maybe so big. The actual size is maybe so big. To fill this small cube, I need 1 hour. Whoa, the pipe, something wrong, Or is your answer something wrong? Okay. I believe. So strange. Okay, it says find the time for it to be emptied if the large pump is used. So what do? This is the rate. But is this the rate of large pump or small pump? Oh, this is large already. This is large. Then easy what? How do I find the time? So 280 divided by 35.74
equals to
10.87434 hour. Now, so what do? How do you split them up? How do you split them? 10 hour, and then you take this times 60. Understand? You take this times 60. So what is the answer? 6, 5. Cannot be lah. Oh, they want to find the total answer in minute, huh? No, what I mean is you take this fraction times 60, what do you get? 0.8743. Oh, 52.46 minute. So then you want to find the nearest minute. So nearest minute means this one will be 52, right? 52, right? So how to find total minute? You take 10 hour times 60, then plus this one, right? You understand now? Then so I go to the next question. For 5 already. Hey, you said 5 the one. 5 you want. This one is always those kind that can see can get, cannot see cannot get. Okay, let's draw the diagram. Hey, those with blank paper one, I assume you haven't tried yet. So you want to listen, you can listen. You want to try 10 series, I don't blame you. But at some point of time, you need to do the paper. Huh? And when will that be? Next week. This weekend. You got to start doing, because really no time already. Do the paper lor. Okay, let's look at B, right? Is it B? Who won this question? Hey, Ian. B ah? A. Okay, A I start with A Oh. Exchange layer 2 and 3. Wait, I exchange. Renaming. You don't have paper also, huh? Okay. Then 10 series? Then what are we doing for Emacs today? Also not sure. Okay, let's look at A. A says I want to find AOD. AOD. Hello, why is it so difficult?